Ball screw is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of a mechanical device to convert rotational motion into linear motion. It is a critical component in many industrial applications, including CNC machines, robotics, and aerospace equipment. The ball screw consists of a threaded shaft and a nut that contains a series of ball bearings. As the shaft rotates, the balls move along the thread, causing the nut to move linearly. This motion is precise, efficient, and reliable, making it an essential part of many manufacturing processes. The ball screw service is crucial in the manufacturing industry because it provides a high level of accuracy and repeatability. It is used in applications where precise positioning is required, such as in the production of electronic components, medical devices, and automotive parts. The ball screw is also used in heavy-duty applications, such as in the construction of bridges and buildings, where it can handle large loads and provide smooth and consistent motion. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom machinery and equipment for a wide range of industries. The company has extensive experience in the design and manufacture of ball screws, and they offer a range of services to meet the needs of their customers. Berkness Company's team of engineers and technicians can design and manufacture ball screws to meet specific requirements, including size, load capacity, and precision. Berkness Company's expertise in ball screw manufacturing makes them an ideal partner for companies looking to improve their manufacturing processes. They can provide customized solutions that meet the unique needs of each customer, ensuring that their equipment operates at peak efficiency. Companies interested in learning more about ball screws and how they can benefit their manufacturing processes can visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. The company's team of experts is available to answer any questions and provide guidance on the best solutions for their specific needs. FAQs. 1. What is a ball screw and how does it work in manufacturing? A ball screw is a mechanical device used in manufacturing to convert rotational motion into linear motion. It consists of a threaded shaft and a nut with ball bearings that roll between the two components, reducing friction and allowing for smooth and precise movement. The ball screw is commonly used in CNC machines, robotics, and other industrial applications where accuracy and efficiency are critical. 2. What are the advantages of using a ball screw in manufacturing? The use of a ball screw in manufacturing offers several advantages over other types of linear motion systems. These include high accuracy and repeatability, low friction and wear, high efficiency, and the ability to handle heavy loads. Additionally, ball screws are easy to install and maintain, making them a popular choice for many industrial applications. 3. How do I choose the right ball screw for my manufacturing application? Choosing the right ball screw for a specific manufacturing application depends on several factors, including the required load capacity, speed, accuracy, and environmental conditions. Other considerations may include the length of the screw, the type of nut, and the level of precision required. It is important to consult with a knowledgeable supplier or engineer to ensure that the ball screw selected is appropriate for the specific application and meets all necessary requirements. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.